Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 296 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Peace by Candlelight, a quiet moment to rest in the soft glow of calm. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the air warm your chest as you breathe. Imagine a single candle flickering before you, steady, gentle, alive. Its light reminds you that peace doesn't have to be loud. Sometimes it simply glows. Let your thoughts slow, your body soften, your breath steady. Each inhale draws in light, and each exhale releases what's heavy. Now, say to yourself, I let calm light guide me. I release what dims my peace, and my heart glows steady and bright. Sit with this warmth for a few breaths. Let it melt the day's noise, the worry, the rush. You are here, present, glowing softly from within. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this candlelight with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.